As a tenant administrator, you can assign security roles to users and administrators in the tenant that grant them a set of permissions, in addition to the permissions granted by their user entitlement. The Users section in the Management Console has two tabs. Tenant administrators can assign security roles from the All Users tab or from the Permissions tab. Security roles are divided into administrator roles and user roles. Administrator roles enable management of tenant-wide functions that affect governance, performance, and security. User roles enable actions on resources, such as editing apps or opening data files. By assigning roles, you can better organize your users and what they do in the tenant. These roles do not control what you can do in spaces. Instead, your allowed actions on content in shared and managed spaces are determined by your space role in that specific space. For new tenants, the following roles are automatically assigned to all users by default: Data Services Contributor, Steward, Private Analytics Content Creator, Shared Space Creator. The All Users tab shows a list of users who have been added or invited to the tenant. You can select one or more users and assign roles to them. On the Permissions tab, you can select a role to see all users assigned to this role. You can also assign security roles to users or groups. On the Users tab, click Assign. Search for the user by name or email and add them to the list, then click Assign. The process is similar if you want to assign security roles to groups. Groups are defined through your identity provider and not created from the Management Console. When you assign a role to a group, every member of that group is granted the permission defined by the role. From the Auto Assign column, tenant administrators can assign security roles to all users in the tenant. A role assigned in this way is removed from the user if you set the value in the column to off. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.